Welcome to my house tour. You're going to be learning English through comprehensible input. I'll show you objects around my flat and you will learn English naturally in a real life context. Let's start off with the kitchen. Let's find some vocabulary for you to learn. Here we have my freezer. This is the fridge underneath. And look, I've got loads of protein yogurts. Next to my freezer and my fridge, we've got the hob, an oven, which I rarely use. I only use it to make pizzas because I really like using the air fryer. On the table, we've got a kitchen roll, an ashtray, and this here is a stool. A stool. I've got a kettle for when I make my tea and a rubbish bin. This is a sink. This is a tap. This is a frying pan, and we have a cutting board. A cutting board. I think that the only bad thing about my kitchen is that I don't have a dishwasher. Let's go and have a look at the utility room now. Here we have my washing machine. This is a broom, a dustpan. This is a mop. Over here we have the boiler, so I can have hot showers. This here is a hose. It's a hose which I use for my back terrace here, which I'm going to show you now. We've got Max here. This is my laundry basket, and this is a drying rack. It's where I hang my clothes out. It's a shame because I don't really use this back terrace that much. Well, Max likes coming, he likes to come out here quite often, but I only really use it in the summer when the kids are making noise at the pool. Then yeah, I come out here and I relax on that sofa, yeah, just to get away from all the noise. Right, let me show you my bedroom. Max is always waiting for us. This is a sliding door. This is a mirror. This here is a bedside table. That is a lamp. There we have Alexa. Here we have little Maxie. Hey, Max. I've got a wall-mounted television. I hardly ever watch television over there. I'm always watching television here in the bedroom because, yeah, I just like to fall asleep while I'm watching Netflix or whatever. I've had to tie the curtains in knots everywhere in the flat because this is a knot. Max was trying to bite the curtains, so I don't want him doing that. Here we have my pillow. This is a blanket and a stuffed elephant. Something very positive about my bedroom is that this window here looks onto the back terrace. So I've got a load of privacy. Let's have a look at the bathroom. This is a bathtub. I don't really want to show you vocabulary in here because it's not that interesting, but this is very important. Deodorant. to not be all stinky. Max, why are you always following me? Eh? Something I would like to highlight about my bathroom is the fact that when you open this window, you can see the pool over there. You've got a pool view in the bathroom. These are safety bars so that thieves and burglars can't get into the flat. Although you have only seen me wearing contact lenses in my videos, I actually wear glasses. Yeah, I wear glasses, but I'm not too fond of wearing them all the time. So yeah, I wear contact lenses. This is a contact lens case. Before we go and have a look at the living room, I'd like to show you this photo of me and my girlfriend. The photo was taken next to Tower Bridge in London. We visited my brother last summer. She loved it. My girlfriend is from Colombia and her name is Daniela. This here is a loudspeaker to put loud music on, and here we have some sunglasses. I've shown you my kitchen, my back terrace, my bedroom, my bathroom, so it's time to show you the living room. This is my living room. Here we have a router. This is a sofa bed. It turns into a bed. Very useful if somebody wants to stay overnight. This is a cushion. Here we have my table, which is an extendable table. It turns into a much bigger and longer table in case I have visitors. And in the corner, we have my setup. This is where I record all of my reels for Instagram. Here we have a radiator and a heater. The last part of the house I'm going to show you is the balcony. Here we have Max again, waiting for us. I've got 2 sofas and a garden. Over there we have 2 pools, which I really make the most of in the summer. I'm there all day long. May, June, July, August and September. Just so that you know, I'm actually half English, half Spanish. My mum is from London and my dad is from Barcelona. I've worked in both cities and I much prefer to live here in Spain because of the nice weather. I'm working as an English teacher at a school and I live right outside of Barcelona in a town called Vilassar de Mar, right next to the beach. Aren't I lucky? I hope you enjoyed my house tour and that you learnt a lot of new vocabulary in English in a natural way. I've got another vlog where I teach dog vocabulary now that we're here with Max. If you want to go and have a look, I'll leave the vlog here for you to watch.